Today we shall learn about an instrument called the vernier calipers. A vernier caliper is called a caliper because it has two jaws. It was developed by a scientist called Vernier. The main parts of the vernier caliper are the external jaw, the internal jaw, the depth measuring device, a main scale and a vernier scale. This instrument is capable of measuring very small distances which otherwise would not be possible with a ruler. Now the very first thing that we need to know is the least count of this instrument. The least count of any instrument is the minimum measurement that this instrument can possibly make. In order to find out the least count, we have a formula, that is, it's the value of one main scale division minus the value of one vernier scale division. Now in this instrument, the main scale is graduated in millimeters. The value of one main scale division is 1 millimeter. And there are 10 divisions in the vernier scale. This is the vernier scale. There are 10 divisions in the vernier scale, which equals to 9 millimeter. Therefore, the value of one division of the vernier scale is 9 by 10, that is 0.9 millimeters. Now, when we subtract the value of one main scale division with respect to one vernier scale division, we have a value of 0.01 millimeter, that is 0.01 centimeter. Now, how do you measure the distance? Suppose we need to measure the length of this metal cube. The metal cube is placed in between the jaws, external jaws of the vernier caliper, and the next part is to observe the readings in the main scale and the vernier scale. How do you take the readings of the main scale and the vernier scale? The main scale reading is taken in this way, as the zero division of the vernier crosses a particular division of the main scale. That particular division is called the main scale reading. Now in this case, the zero of the vernier scale crosses 1.9th division of the main scale. Thus, the main scale reading is 1.9 centimeter. The next part that we need to see is the vernier scale division, which is coinciding with the main scale reading. In this case, if you observe very carefully without any parallax, it comes out to be around 5 of the 5th division. So the vernier scale division which coincides with the main scale division is 5. When we write this in our observation table, the main scale reading is written as 1.9 centimeters. The vernier scale division which is coinciding is written as 5th. Multiply it with the least count, that is 0.01 centimeters, and that comes out to be 1.95 centimeters when we total this up. This is how we take the reading. Now, the external jaws also has a use for it. The external jaws are used to measure the diameters of externally of any object. But suppose this object has a hole whose diameter has to be measured. This diameter is measured by the internal jaws. This is how you place the internal jaws inside the hole. Once that is fixed, the same process is repeated, taking the main scale reading and the vernier scale reading, and recording your observations as it is. This instrument is capable of measuring lengths of the order of 10⁻⁻² centimeters.